Yo, what's up guys, this is Criz and you're watching Creation, so we're back with another video. I just cleaned my closet and I found some of my really old books, my drawing files, my practice files, and most importantly, the artworks that I used to draw in school. And I thought that I could share those work with you guys and share my experience with those drawings. And maybe I'll decide that I want to redraw any of it or not, but I'm really excited to share this work with you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Let's watch it. So here it is, my first drawing. It's a lot of reindeer representing nature. I'm really happy with the outcome of it. The concept is really nice, and I'm really happy with the color. They look quite vibrant. Plus the hue is perfect with the scene. I guess I drew this when I was in maybe in 9th or 10th grade, I guess. But I'm really, it's kind of hard to believe that I drew this, man. The concept is really nice. I would like to redraw this, but let's see what else I do have. This is okay. This is looking more manly than a woman it should be. I'm I'm having this problem, man. I'm really getting problem while I draw female structure or facial features of female. I'm really bad at it. Sometimes I really screw it up, and yeah. But I really like the concept behind it. It could be statue of a woman or a woman made of ruby or something like that. But yeah, the concept is really nice. I could redraw this. This is definitely considerable. Yeah, let's see more. Okay, this is a portrait of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. I can tell that this is a copied work. I copied from artist called Inquisitive. He belonged to England. He's really a creative artist, but he's more into religious stuff. So yeah, this is I can see this. This is his concept, but yeah, this is looking nice. The work that I shared so far, it could be of maybe when I was in 9th to 10th grade, I guess. Okay, yeah. This is the creator of X-Men Wolverine. You guys know that. There's no need of telling his name. He's iconic figure. And yeah, this is my drawing when I was in 11th grade, and this was a time when I became really competitive. I started having competition with my own friends. That I became so ambitious. I want to beat them. So yeah. This is kind of very different artworks that I used to do. This is how I changed into that, and I decided that this is something I want to do. I want to create characters. I want to create concepts, some of really evil, demonic, or cool things. Yeah, that I really want to draw that. I'm really into those work right now. Okay. This is another copied concept of a Philippine artist. I don't know his name, maybe Cabri. I don't know his name, but I follow his work, his page on Facebook, Sketchy Stories. I know it is his work. He's a great doodler, and I guess I drew this again when I was in 9th grade. I guess I used ball pen in it, but yeah, I guess this is looking nice. Really. I'm impressed. Some of my work are really like this, oh my god, have I drawn this? But wow, this is nice. This is something I want to keep it forever. I want to look at it and see how much I've improved it. What was how my journey was and how my journey is so far. Yeah. Okay. This is a portrait of my favorite American singer, Taylor Swift, but yeah, it is not resembling with her. Sorry about the noise, man. क्यों नहीं होते ये लोग शांत? इतनी रात हो गई है. Anyways, so this is a portrait of Taylor Swift from a song Love Story. This was a song of Taylor Swift that I heard for the first time. I heard Taylor Swift for the first time, and I just fell in love with her. Like, this is like kind of woman I always wanted, that I want to marry this kind of woman, man. This is the person I want in my life. She's so pretty. Wow. And I guess she recently dropped her album. I haven't heard yet, but I'm looking for it. I will like definitely going to listen it. I'm a big Taylor Swift fan. Okay, another portrait. This is a portrait of Gurpreet Kaur. She's a beginner singer. She belongs from England. Yeah, and she's got a friend, man. She's got a friend. Yeah, I have some like really nice contacts. Okay. Oh wow. I really don't remember this when I drew it. Okay. But surely, I guess this is my oldest drawing so far. Wow. This could be like when I was in third or second grade, max tops. But wow, this is like a very nice concept. I just like having a problem with the colors. They are kind of looking dull with the composition, but the idea is great. I mean, when I was in third grade, man, how could I like know about this? Submarine. It kind of look like it's so great concept of submarine and jellyfishes. Wow, man, this is like really a good composition. It's lacking something, but according to third grade, I guess this is fine. Okay, another portrait. This is our singer, rapper, lyricist, rock star. Again, he's from England. He's kind of brother. I really admire him a lot. This is like my biggest inspiration after Eminem. But yeah, sure, he's like really into soul touching music. His song really touched the soul, and he recently dropped a song called Airplane Mode, and I'm like big fan of it. Yeah, God bless him. It kind of like it's biased, man. How biased we artists are. I mean, we always draw portrait of singers or like our celebrity, but we never like appreciate other artists. Like I haven't drawn any of artists I know or I follow, but I draw the artist like I listen to or we watch in the movies. Like kind of biased, man. Maybe we should draw more of our artworks, or we should like at least draw the portrait of the ones we follow, like we inspired of real artists who draw something like from Marvel, DC's, maybe from a game characters, something like that. From God of War, like Crawlby. Sorry, I don't know his name. Okay. Anyway, so see again, that was what I was talking about. Another portrait of like greatest rapper, the GOAT. Eminem. We were just talking about him while I'll show you guys Rockstar, and he just pop up. Wow. And this is the work I drew when I was in maybe like 11th grade, I guess. Yeah. This is the time I started my Facebook page, and I started having a small contest that in this week we kind of draw portraits. Next week we will like into animals or in some other compositions. But yeah, I know that I drew this portrait on that day when I like really was being a competitive, and I want to like beat all of the artists who drew portrait in that, and I kind of think I nailed it. It is looking nice. Though like yeah, I'm really lacking skills in here, the shading and the resemblance, but I'm happy with it, man. There's no doubt in that. These my artworks are really the things that pushed me up and brought me here. So like I'm really like glad that I have these. I written through them. Okay. Last and not least, my own portrait, which is not looking like me at all. I guess I really lack some skills in portrait, but like I really try my best, but it's kind of hard. I don't know why. I'm like really good in creating characters or composition, backgrounds, designing, but when it comes to portrait, I guess I kind of lack something. I'm not saying that I'm not good at it, great at it, but yeah, I'm like okay, I can draw it, but definitely I lack some skills in drawing portrait. Maybe because I'm like kind of lose my patience while drawing a portrait, or it just doesn't like really excite me. Anyways, yeah. So I hope that you enjoy this. You guys get to know little of me. So I decided that what I want to draw, I want to redraw. So I'm choosing my oldest drawing because this is the only drawing which having a complete composition scene instead of some portraits. Like my most of the work are in portraits or corporate work. So instead of doing that, I think this is my own original item, my real idea. So I think I could redraw this and let's see how much I've improved so far. And yeah, let's go.
bensound.com. 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 bensound.com.
So from class second or third till today, I guess I've like really improved a lot. And I'm really happy with the outcome, man, because It's been a while, like really a big time that I haven't like drawn on sheet. I've been telling you guys a lot in this videos, in like my previous videos I guess. And yeah, this is the fact that I'm not using any sheet or any material so far because I'm like really into, digital art, and my job is to do that, and I don't have much time to draw on sheet or having my own like free time to do it. But I'm happy that I tried it, man, and I'm like really happy with the outcome. While I was painting it up, I was like so nervous that please don't get messed up, please don't screw it up, please, and I'm like really happy that it just came out the way I wanted. It could be a little bit better, but I tried to draw it in a very minimum time. Like it took me like 15 minutes to create the sketch, and 1.5 hours or maybe 1 hour to complete the coloring part. And I used mixed medium in it. So yeah, I'm like really happy with it, man. I didn't try to create it realistic. I tried to draw it like a good illustration and a good concept, and I'm happy with it, man. So yeah, do let me know what you think about it, and I hope like you enjoy the video. The video is kind of like long this time, but yeah, kabhi kabhi hota hai. Anyways, like if you enjoy the video, give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do suggest me something if you want me to draw. Till then, stay creative, do creation. This is artist Criz. Goodbye.